Welcome back, preparers, for another short video. Brace yourselves, a winter storm is on the horizon, and it's time for us to ready our defenses. Firstly, double-check that you have enough food and water stores to last you for a few days. Your safest bet is to stock up on non-perishable items. Secondly, make sure your heating system is functioning as it should, and if it isn't, get it repaired immediately. It's crucial not to overlook pipe insulation to avoid them freezing over. Lastly, keep a battery-operated radio within reach for constant updates. Bear in mind, safety always comes first. Therefore, stay warm, stay educated, and stay safe. Even this storm will eventually pass. Until next time, take care, everyone.